guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple network in Cisco packet tracer. Let's make a start. So we get our router, we get our switch, and then get some couple of end devices. Let me reduce this because it's kind of a bit too big. Be able to say it still from this end. Yeah, let me center this for us. Yeah, so get couple of end devices. We can get we can actually use some laptops and some desktops, but I'm just gonna stick to this. You can mix and match, but I'm just gonna stick to this for this teaching purpose. Yeah, so what we need to do next is to ensure that we connect these devices to this switch. So this is laptop 0 connected to the switch, and then we connect laptop 1 to the switch as well, and then laptop 2 to the 3 to the switch. Yeah, and the last one will be the switch to the router. Yeah, we can see that the router is off because you can see that it's red. Let me bring it down a bit so you can see that. Bring this down. So this is just a simple network. Okay, so to switch on the router, we need to come down to the interface and then click on the on button. You can see it there at the top. That will switch on the router. You can see it's all switched on now. So the next thing that we need to do is to assign IP addressing to these devices. So we'll just assign IP addresses to the laptops and show you how it works. So from the laptop 0, you go to desktop and IP configuration. There are different sets of IP addressing. You've got class A to E. Class A is for big networks. Class B is for medium networks. Class C is for small and office networks. Class D is for multicast groups, and Class E is for reservation and testing. So for this purpose, we're just going to use Class C network IP addressing. So we're just going to do 192.0.0.1 and enter. When you enter, it shows you the subnet mask, which you can see. If I zoom that a little bit, let me show you that so you can see the subnet mask. Okay, so let me go back so you can see the subnet mask a little bit better. Let me just, you can see that. So I've assigned IP addressing, IP address to it, and you've got a subnet mask. So the subnet mask is basically dividing a large network into smaller and more manageable sub networks. So that is that. So we go to the next laptop, which is laptop 1. Go back to desktop and IP addressing and go to 192.0.0.2 for the next one and enter. When you enter, it gives you the subnet mask automatically, as you can see. Let me widen it for you to see. Yeah, so you can see. And then you close that and then go to laptop 2. I'll broaden that for you to see as well. You go to desktop and IP configuration, and then you put 192.0.0.3 and then you enter. It gives you the subnet mask. We'll deal with default gateway later on another video. I'll just show you this for now. Okay, so now we've seen that all the network is on. You can see all the green on from the router to the switch and the end devices. So what we need to establish now is to see if these devices can communicate with each other. So we'll just go to laptop 0 and go to our command prompt. Yeah, let's make this big so you see that. I'll just make it big so you see that. Okay, so we're gonna ping, if I can, yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna ping, use space 192.0.0.2 because this first laptop is dot one, so this is dot two, and you enter. When you enter, it's actually showing you, oh, go back, it's actually showing you that we've sent 4 packets and 4 packets was received and 0 packets was lost. So this means that this communication has been successful between the 2 laptops. So now let's go to laptop 3, laptop 2, and go to our command prompt, and now we're going to ping the laptop 0 to laptop 2. Let's see if they're establishing communication, which is 192.0.0.1, and enter. So again, we can see this is a success. Let me zoom it for you to see. You can see that this is a success. Exit there, exit there. Yeah, so you can see that this is a success. So a communication has been established between the devices, and this is a simple way of building a network and assigning IP address to them. So I'll zoom out so you can see the network that I've built. I hope this has been useful for you. If you want to see more of these, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more educative videos. And thank you very much.